Greetings traders, this is Coach Robert with another episode of TopstepX in 5 minutes or less. In this video, we will provide an overview of TopstepX mobile-friendly version on iPhone. This is the main chart panel with the embedded TradingView charts. On the left, we have a selection of drawing tools. On the top left, we can tap on the 15 minutes and we can select between a variety of different time frames and charting setups. Next to that, by tapping on the two candles, we can choose from a variety of different candle views. In the center of the top, we have indicators. By tapping, we can scroll through the wrist, or we can search for a common indicator such as VWAP by typing it in. Next to that, we have preferences. These preferences, we can choose the data speed if we are experiencing any lag. We can have the chart plot alignment, which is what the orders look like on the left or the right side of the screen when in a position. And a common feature at the bottom is the chart value display type. We can choose between dollar, we can choose ticks, or we can choose percent. By tapping again, it will collapse the menu and click close to bring us back to the main screen. On the right is the price scale. By dragging our finger up and down on the price scale, we can expand the candles up and down for a better view. On the bottom, we can drag left and right to expand or shrink the chart based on time. To center, we tap the arrow at the very bottom of the chart. It will bring us back to the main view. There are several different menus available in TopstepX mobile-friendly version. The quick access is by tapping the three dots on the bottom right of the screen. By tapping on Account, we can choose between a variety of different panels. Let's go through them quickly. Tapping on Info will provide us with information about the account. And this is where we find the very commonly used lockout feature. To get back to the main view, we simply go to the bottom right and tap on the three dots again. Now let's click on Accounts. This will show us all the accounts that are available for us to trade. In this case, we only have one. In the bottom right, tap the three dots again. Tapping Positions will show us any open positions that we are in. And we continue to tap the dots on the bottom right to bring us back to the main menus. We can tap Orders to show any orders that we have. Tap the three dots again. And we can check our trades, which is the historical information about any trades we had taken. By tapping the three dots again, we go back to the main panel and we can choose the trading functions. Here we can access the DOM. At the time of this video, this is real-time data and the market is not open, but this is where the entire DOM will be displayed with all the orders, the bids, the size, and anything we have available, along with volume. Tapping the three dots again on the bottom right, we can choose our order card. And the order card is where we place multiple orders types, such as market orders, joining the bid and the ask. We have a drop-down list so we can choose limit, stop, and we can add a trailing stop to it. And we can also choose the flatten all and cancel all to exit positions. Tapping the dots on the bottom right, we have copy trading settings. Let's click on the lead account. In this account, we only have one, so there is nothing to choose for copy trading, but this was where you would select the lead account and you would choose the accounts you wish to copy those trades to. By clicking on the three dots again, under the trading panel, we have our risk settings. And these risk settings apply to the account that we can see at the top of the screen. We have our bracket orders. We can also set our personal daily loss limit and our personal daily profit target. By tapping on the three dots one more time, when we are done with the mobile-friendly version, we should make sure that we tap on the log out for security purposes. This concludes the TopstepX mobile-friendly version on iPhone.